Visit the Dagu Glacier. From Chengdu, 3 hours to arrive. Eat special slate barbecue. Enter the scenic area to take the car. The driver is very skilled. The scenery is beautiful when you arrive at the Dragon King Sea. The water of the lake is clear. The snow-capped mountains are spectacular. Tired of playing down the mountain? Queue up for a bus. Eat stewed chicken. Back to the hotel. The next day I went to Dagu Glacier and the roadside scenery was beautiful. The snow-capped mountains seem to be right in front of you. 4,850 meters above sea level. Bring oxygen on. The wind is very strong. The scenery is beautiful. It's too cold. Have a cup of coffee in the cafe. Eat a boxed lunch. Ride home. Bye.